Let's make pupusas. Back to school season is here and ShopRite has exactly what I need for this delicious and easy Salvadoran after school snack that the whole family will love. Pupusas are a traditional Salvadoran dish made with masa harina, nixtamalized corn flour, typically filled with savory ingredients and cooked on a griddle or comal. They're sort of like a cross between quesadillas and tamales. Common fillings include cheese and refried beans, which we're making today. You can even enlist little ones to help make this. Serve your pupusas with curtido, a tangy fermented cabbage slaw, and salsa for a complete and flavorful meal. This recipe takes roughly about 30 minutes to make, and if you have some extra hands, it'll go even faster. The most difficult part is making the fresh masa. I like to make sure that it's well hydrated, so a 1-to-1 ratio works best for me. Mix and knead it well. This is really integral to make sure that your masa is hydrated so you can avoid any cracks in your pupusas. Cover it and let it rest for about 10 minutes, which also helps with hydration. Another tip, use warm water when mixing your masa. When rolling out the pupusa dough, I like to make sure to use gloves and oil my hands with a little bit of extra virgin olive oil. Perfect from ShopRite. Using the palm of my hands, I flatten out the dough ball, which is roughly 1/4 of a cup of dough, just to keep it consistent. Flatten it out with the palm of my hands and fill it with whatever cheese or refried beans that I'm using, and then pass it back and forth gently, letting gravity help me, until it's about 1/4 of an inch thick. It's totally okay if there are some cracks in your dough. You can round those out with a little bit of olive oil or water. I like to add as much cheese as I possibly can to each one of my pupusa fillings. And when I'm shaping it into a ball, I twist a little bit of the excess off the top, sort of like dumpling making, and use it for more pupusas. I usually aim for about 8 to 10 pupusas using about 2 to 3 cups of masa harina. This time I'm filling it with the bean mixture that we just made. Make sure your pan or griddle is heated on medium or high heat and cook about 4 to 6 minutes on each side. Serve hot and with your curtido. I like to make a big batch so that there's always leftovers, but you can make them fresh from scratch very quickly every single time. I hope you enjoy this recipe with ShopRite. Buen provecho!